right, fifth graders, welcome to writing prompt 14. Today's writing prompt for our memoir writing is, you are told today you can leave your house. What is the first thing you are going to do and why? So the shutdown's lifted, coronavirus is good to go, we're not even dealing with this anymore, you are able to leave. What are you going to do and why are you going to do it? Who are you going to go see? What are you going to go do with friends? Who are you going to go hang out with? I mean, what's going to happen? So I want you guys to write at least 4 sentences on what your goal is or what your plan is after all of this is over with. And what does that look like? Make sure you guys are including the detail, the information, the thoughts, the feeling into your writing, and it's not just real short and choppy. It's going to sound better when we're all done with this, when you have all that extra stuff included in your writing. So this is our writing prompt today. Make sure you have about 4 sentences written down. Our brainstorming question that I want you to comment on for this post is, are you going to be scared to leave your house for the first time after the shutdown is over with? I know a lot of people are not really looking forward to this being lifted because they don't want to leave their house because they feel safe in their home. And they know that by staying isolated, that they are protecting themselves from coronavirus. So are you going to be scared to leave your house for the first time? Why or why not? So go ahead and answer the brainstorming question in the comments, and then make sure you write down your answers to the writing prompt on that Google Doc and share it with me so I can get the info or can get your writing and give you guys feedback. All right, take care.